Hello guys, welcome to my channel and to a new video. This is part 2 in this series of recreating the best of CLIPCHAMP online video editor using Filmora. Every video creator needs the best effects, graphics, and as many as we can have. But then you may not get all of them in a specific video editing software being ready to use, which means they can be ready to use in another video editing software. Yet in another software you will need to create them yourself. That's what we are doing in these series. Looking the best ready to use in CLIPCHAMP video editor and create them in Filmora. And in this video we are going to create 3 transitions: the spin, push left, and the push right. Well, am I sounding something you like? Then support the channel by subscribing. Here is CLIPCHAMP video editor. I will leave a link of this video editor in the description of this video. You can press here to import your files. You can drag and drop your files into the timeline. Then scroll here to go to transitions. Right here we are taking spin transition, push right and push left. Let's check the preview to see how it looks like. Well, this is how they look like. Let's go back and start creating them. Drag and drop your 2 files. Set the project setting at 60 FPS, or the minimum of 30 FPS. I have these 2 images here, but you can use any files, even videos. Note that this transition isn't fit to be long. So from the middle, use the keyboard arrow and count 5 moves, like this. That's where your transition must start. Then do that to the other video. Now, go Animation, Customize. Add a keyframe on the starting of the video. Then move your playhead to the end. Set the rotation to -25. And set the scale to 171. Then add a keyframe on the starting point of the next video. Set the rotation to 25. And the scale to 171. Then move your playhead to the end. And reset the rotation and the scale. Then go transitions and search for dissolve. Then drag it on the middle. Reduce its duration to 4 frames. Then go Effects, search for Tilt Shift Linear. Drag it down. Let it start 1 frame after the video starting point and end 1 frame before. So this is our spin transition. Let's go to the push left. Drop down your 2 files. Go Effects. Search for Chaos 01. So this transition must be 20 frames duration. So from the middle count 10 frames using the keyboard arrows. Then, that's where your effect is starting. Do that to the other side. And that's where your effect is ending. Double-click the effect to go for the effect settings. Set the frequency to 1, the X to maximum, the Y to 0, and the Z to 0. Then unselect the RGB. So now select the second video and go transform. Flip it from here. Export this. Select here to export the selected range, then export. Then delete this. Then drop this video you have exported. Carefully find the middle part and split it. Then double-click the second part and go transform. Flip it back from here. This is the push left. Now for the push right, we will not go through it all because the process is almost the same with the push left, but there is a trick I will show you now. So, after you have set your effect setting, you double-click the first video instead of the second. Then go transform and flip. Export this. And after you are done, find the middle and split. Then again double-click the first video, not the second. Go transform and flip it back. And you are done. Let's check the preview. Thanks guys for watching to the end. Let me know if you are enjoying these series. And if you haven't watched the part 1, check the description or browse my channel. Then be sure to check out part 3, which I will upload tomorrow.